Hello shoe people! Welcome to the Dardano Shoes virtual store tour. You may not have been able to visit your favorite shoe store lately, so we wanted to provide you with a sneak peek inside. Join us and see what's new at Dardano's. The store is all stocked up with new styles for the upcoming season. These new shoes and boots are intended to keep your feet looking as great as they feel all throughout the fall and winter. People are gravitating towards finding shoes that work for many different purposes. If you are looking for that new pair of shoes to take a walk, go to work, work from home, or even for when you aren't working, Dardano Shoes has a large selection of outdoor styles to take you on your next adventure. Cozy slippers, stylish boots, weatherproof options, you name it. This year we've seen a big increase in demand for casual footwear. Athletic brands like Hoka and Brooks have been flying off the shelves. You can be confident that whatever your footwear needs are, Dardano Shoes has you covered. A lot of things may have changed this year, but one thing that will never change is our commitment to providing our customers the best footwear experience possible. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to help you find the perfect fit. You can shop with confidence knowing we have updated our service procedures to make sure you have a safe shopping experience. This store tour is just a snapshot into the great products that Dardano Shoes has to offer. Come in and shop today. Your next favorite pair of shoes is waiting. Where will Dardano Shoes take you?